Okay, so after we've had a million people ask us, there's a lot of videos we're posting about tearing things down, but it's kind of hard to describe what we're doing. So we've made this schwanky 3D model through the internet and the magical world of computering, but I'm not amazing at it. So this will be a 3D digital tour, including highlighting the weird parts of it, such as the view that you're looking at now,
With the roof,
with the roof and the plywood kind of coming through the beginning. Anyways, so here's what we're doing. Paul is navigating this tour bus, and I am going to narrate it. And we're going through our new house. So front door. You can see that unusually enough, we have placed the kitchen in the very front of the house. This is a weird step in design. And honestly, when you're dealing with a house that's 912 square feet, I thought it was a really cool move. I think we've gotten a lot of feedback and pushback that, resale value and having the kitchen in the front. But, when you think about it, like most houses, you walk into the kitchen. It's the place that you walk into, whether it's through the garage or whatnot. So in a tiny house, you have a lot smaller of a space to deal with. And I wanted it up front. So, it's where you come in and out of, and you've got, so that's where it is. So I don't know why I'm justifying it in this tour. I'm just waiting for comments back on it. I'm really excited to share this. So it's a shotgun style house. So we've got this kind of unused space along the side of the house, and the plan is to eventually, and that's more long-term plan, put a greenhouse out there. So I put some like shelves to kind of just look like what it is. It kind of looks like Wizard of Oz. Like it looks like we're floating in the air because the clouds don't really line up. Okay, moving on. Room number 2. So this is kind of a music listening sound room, movie room, or not movie room. I'm sorry, like a library. This is where we do all of our sitting, talking, and whatnot. There's a lot of placeholders. So obviously there's going to be speakers in here, shelves, and a couch, but none of these furnitures are exactly what they should be. Except those speakers, because Paul really wants them. Oh, wait. Back up a little bit. Okay. So the hallway I think is a super clever design. So what you see is a door on the left going to the basement, a door on the left going to the bedroom, a door straight forward going to the deck, a door on the right going to the bathroom. But all of these little doors along the way are actually our closet. So it's our closet and our washer and dryer are all going to be built into these kind of hallway doors. Once again, you're dealing with, a super tiny spot, a super tiny space. And so having like kind of putting the closet or all of the, the storage space in this like pretty walkthrough, I think it's gonna end up being really cool. We're working on trying to find some kind of flat panel doors to where it kind of seamlessly blends into the wall, but that's the plan. Okay, now we can go. Where do you want to go first? Bathroom? Okay, so bathroom. So this is our clawfoot tub. We have it. It's in our current house. I'll see if I can link a picture or video right now. But we are going to refinish it. It's not going to be completely black. It's going to be some fun color. I just made it black. We're going to refinish it, and it's going to be the focal piece of the bathroom. So walking in a little bit, it's kind of an open concept-y, not open concept, whatever that's called. It's just open. This is a shower wet area. So I've done 2 shower heads. I don't know if that'll be final or not, but we've got this weird existing window and then some sort of bench thing to kind of balance the room out. So you've got a little cove. I really should like paint the walls in this demo thing. That way they actually look different. And then past the bathtub, you've got is it a lavatory? I always say that wrong. That's the lav. You've got your lav, which is sunk way too far into the wall. You've got a toilet and you've got a window. And we are totally in the Wizard of Oz house. It's like floating through the air. Okay, so back out these doors, which they're not necessarily double doors, but they are for today. And then across the hall into the bedroom. So I think I just put a placeholder bed here. You can see the stair rail poking through. I really got to work on my sim skills. You get this tiny little bit of stairwell right there in the left-hand corner. Oh, look at that. Isn't that fancy? Regular bedroom. There's a lot of bonuses of putting the kitchen in the front and our bedroom in the back. A big one is street noise. So I'm super amped about this. And then, you want to go downstairs? Yeah. Okay. Dun, 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 dun. This is the part we're actually like actively demoing and working on right now. So it's kind of fun. So we've got quarter turn stairs, which I got to work on code for, but they're but close to that. Some sort of little office-y library-y, some sort of office-y computer station on the left, and then a TV straight ahead. The idea of having all the basement separated from upstairs, we wanted to put all of our screens downstairs. I think through like the whole quarantine world, we've realized that there's a lot of screens between the phone and the computer and working from home and, watching way too many cartoons. We just put them all in the basement, which is going to be nice. And then this is what we were working on literally today, actually. The bathroom. So we have a little wall-mounted sink and a toilet and a shower. Pretty much sums up a bathroom. Look at that concrete. I forgot to put and pull the tile all the way over. There's a lot of weird things, I think, when you start like looking through it. None of these are in the right place. I don't even know what that black thing is. Oh, that's the shower control valve thing, which is really high. I think I just you place things on the software like The Sims.
The camera is also at like 4-year-old height right now.
Yeah, you are kind of at a 4-year-old's height. That's okay. I am pretty short, so it works out well. So anyways, that is the 3D tour of our house. So I will do nothing else. I guess we'll put up some video of what the house looks like now so you can get the comparison. And yeah.
Cool.
Thanks.
Excellent.
Should I say anything else? Do people sign off on the internet? I don't know what a sign off is like. I'll see you later. And that's the way the cookie crumbles.